Here is how to turn off your vanish mode on Instagram. So let's hop into Instagram, go to the messages. If you swipe up, you can turn on your vanish mode, or it otherwise also called disappearing messages. So if it is turned on, again you need to swipe up. So see here, swipe up to turn off disappearing messages or vanish mode. Likewise, you can turn off your vanish mode or disappearing messages. If you can't do like this, go to this profile icon. Here you can find disappearing messages. Here you have multiple options, whether message could be disappeared once they have seen, or 24 hours after the scene, or whether 7 days after the scene. So you can select any one of that. And if you don't want to disappear the message, you can click off. And if it is showing vanish mode, so this is disappearing messages is the latest version. So make sure you update the app for the disappearing messages, or otherwise you can, here you can see privacy and safety. So you can find vanish mode here and you can toggle off that. Thank you.